What's up, YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color. How are you guys doing today? Okay, it is September 13th, and we are back at it again. Okay, I am here again for the third time, giving you guys the info that you need to work with Shiftsmart. Tap in, guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below if you have already started. Don't forget to comment down below if you need any help. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos, because I give you a lot of insight on all of the videos that I do for Shiftsmart. This video that you guys are getting today, this is what you guys have been waiting for. Guys have been waiting for me to upload a video, you know, basically just talking about how to set up your device. What do you do after you make that call? What do you do after they call you? What do you do after that email? Okay, have you got to the email point? If you have not, go check out my first video saying start work tomorrow, get paid as soon as 3 days from now, guys. And you must set up your direct deposit. Okay, if you don't set up your direct deposit, you will not be getting paid in 3 days. But guys, like I said, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment down below. And so now I'm going to attach my copy of my email that I first received when I did Shiftsmart, and you guys are going to check it out. I'm also going to make a little dummy account just so that you guys can kind of see the app and everything and see what it looks like when you first log on. Okay?